Countryman, countrywoman. If you ask question, then you no got answer. That means say answer no be there for that question. But if you ask question, the answer come out, no say answer it be there for the question. Now so, now food for thought that when I don't drink small water for morning time, so I get that inspiration. Yes, inspiration they come. It enter my skin. It enter my skin. Inspiration enter my skin. So artists, they were they call it say Kareyce Fotso. That girl is sing bonjour ya chicha. Aga baka. He talk that na banjun talk. I don't know if I talk after I know if I talk na amgaka. Kareyce Fotso, he talk say that papa will kill that pikin. That small pikin for where they call it say mathis for Yaoundé. He must go ngata. May they not begin waste time with ye. They cannot no fine. Why justice the waste time with the man where they catch you red-handed, where the chook we don't chook pikin kill him? Why did they turn down with ye? The smoke was sending for ngata one time. It talks say measures again will be taken. It vex plenty. Them say Kareyce Fotso don't vex. If you may have vex, I will take you for down below for la chite for la now that kind of vex way Kareyce Fotso don't vex. It's a justice. You know if you just come off your house, you take knife, you chook some people, you kill them, and then the turn with you say they don't get enough proof. They go up and down, they put you for hospital, you come out, they say me you talk, you don't want to talk, they turn where all man know you, they catch you for day where they chook the pikin, they hold you with a knife, and then you behave, they say you know the hear no nothing, you know they understand anything when they tell you. He say Nangata fine for that man one time, for Ngata he go understand. If he didn't want to understand when they send it for Ngata first, for waiting trial, he go understand. So now so Kareyce Fotso don't talk, he don't vex. He don't vex countrywoman. I no say na mami for pikin, no say it matter when mami for pikin no one he don't vex own vex, so you understand say no na any kind of thing. Mami for pikin them they used to vex their own vex. So you know say that's why I just talk Kareyce Fotso don't vex. Una must do what you wanna must do for say me all that thing they come out so that man he pay for the crime. We don't commit them. You know correct say if you get turn for outside so rich now. No man no. You cannot rape so if you make a so you attack the man again with that palaver knife. You know say people they like that kind of knife thing. They feel so begin continue with that kind of attitude. So now the thing that we look up, we observe we'll see what justice it will take a course.